how to delete your Facebook on Android. Okay, so on your newsfeed, go to the top right hand corner and click on these three lines. Okay, and then just scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. And then on the top it'll say settings, click on that. And then just keep scrolling down until you get to account ownership and control. Click on that. And then you have an option in the middle. It says deactivation and deletion. Click on that. Okay, now you have two options. You can either deactivate your account, which is temporary, but it will leave your Messenger active. You can deactivate Messenger separately, or if you click on delete account, it will delete your account permanently after 30 days. So it will deactivate your account, and then after 30 days it will be deleted fully. That includes your Messenger as well. I hope that helps. Please do subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with those who may benefit from it. Thank you.